Friends, do you know? Water makes up about 60% of the body's weight. For the body to function properly, we need to consume about 2 quarts of water, or liquid, per day. Every system in your body depends on water. Water regulates body temperatures, eliminates toxins, carries nutrients and oxygen to the cells, and provides a moist environment for body tissues and joints. Water needs vary but depend on the food a person eats, environmental temperature and humidity, a person's activity level, and other factors. Fruits and vegetables contain large quantities of water in proportion to their weight. When these foods are eaten, the water can be absorbed by the body. Potassium is the predominant positively charged electrolyte in body cells. The flow of potassium and sodium in and out of cells maintains the normal functioning of the heart, brain, kidney, and skeletal muscles. Potassium is important for muscle contraction and the rhythm of the heart. The majority of potassium in the body is stored within the cells, so small changes in the concentration of potassium in the bloodstream can have serious health consequences. Cantaloupe provides 29 calories and is made up of 89% water, as an exceptionally good fruit for supporting energy production through its efficient carbohydrate metabolism and ability to keep the blood sugar stable. Strawberries contain 23 calories and are made up of approximately 92% water. Strawberries rank as the 4th strongest antioxidant-rich fruit. The polyphenols found in strawberries aid in regulating the blood sugar response of inactive individuals. Friends, if you like this information, share it with others. Like and subscribe to our channel to learn similar interesting information. Thank you so much for watching the video.